Hello there. Since we're going into some ag commodities, so this week we actually are doing some corn, but last week we did some dairy products and different things. We're also going to investigate some myths about the industry of agriculture. So it's called the Truth About series, and today's topic is going to be on beef and whether or not pasture raised or grain raised beef, or grain finished beef, I should say, is better than pasture finished or grass finished. So you're going to find some information here. Keep in mind, this is just some information. Your opinion at the end of this does not affect your grade by any means. So please be candid with your questions that you answer at the end. It's going to go through some information about how the life cycle of a beef animal works. Beef animals are animals that we use primarily for meat production. Dairy animals, dairy cows, are typically used for milk production, although there is somewhat of a market there for meat as well. All right, but the primary function of dairy is for milk production and dairy products. So this is beef that we're talking about, and most of our beef animals are raised out in western United States or in southern, down in Texas, Wyoming, Montana, things like that. And they all start out the same, and the last 6 to 12 months of their life is different depending on whether or not they're grain finished or pasture finished. So go ahead and take a look at some of the facts here, and some of the reasons why people might choose one or the other. And then please go ahead and answer the questions. I did include the reference here. You can also do some more searching yourself if you wish. And then at the end, it asks for your preference and the reasoning behind it. Again, your choices or your reasons do not affect your grade. I'm more interested in seeing that you have taken a look at things and determined what your preference is and why that might be. So again, opinion is not grade based, but go ahead and fill this out so that you can get the credit for it. All right. When you are done, go ahead and go into the assignment page and hit submit, and have a fantastic day.